unboxing. Let me get my trusty letter opener. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I thought my husband lost his selfie stick. No, it's not. No, I was no. He talking about good. I'll take it. No, but yeah, I thought he had lost his selfie stick, but I got another one. But anyway, he didn't. So it's an extra one. It's the same kind. So all right, next box. This is just an unboxing of stuff. This is for the GoPro. These are the accessories for the GoPro. I'll open it in a minute. These are the screws and stuff for the GoPro. And this feels like batteries. Oh, these are the magnets that were sent to attach to the GoPro. This is a ball head. Swivel. We're gonna test this out. So you're gonna see a video that's connected to this. That's gonna show you what we're doing. And that's that. I hope it works. Ball head. Comes in two. So you attach this. Or whatever. But these are the sections that you use for your GoPro. And we will be using the GoPro 10. These are the things that you stick on your dash, on your car, mounted. These are mounts. Trust me, when you stick these on something, be prepared for it to stay. These suckers are very sturdy in there, hard to come off. So once you stick it on, it's not going to be any good when you take it off, if you try to take it off. Alright. So this is a long cord, a USB Type-C cord. I thought 6 feet would do, but evidently, if I'm looking at it, I don't think so. But this is a 6 feet cord. So when you mount your GoPro outside of your car, your vehicle, and if you're going to be recording for a long, extended amount of time, you need to plug this in so your GoPro can keep going. So I need to get a longer one, probably 13 feet. Plug it in so it can be continuously charging. This is for when you want to do your time lapse and things like that, and you got an external battery pack. You want to have a long enough cord to charge it. This is the Hero 9 battery, but it fits into the Hero 10 as well. Extra batteries. You need extra batteries. And this is a charging box. I don't know if the batteries came with this, but we will soon see. This is what the battery pack look like. Now let's see. And then you get a USB Type-C charging cable. Go with it. It comes with 2 batteries. Now they say use the original batteries, but I'll get some 2 original batteries later. Now this I'm going to charge up because later on today we're going to be using some, we might have to use some of these batteries. Alright, this is called Anchor Fast Charging and use your books and stuff. Look up to 2. This is the on and off button. Okay. You got the USB Type-C. So let's see. You can pretty much tell. So it's got the USB regular. So it is definitely a power bank. It's fast charging. It's got an 18-month hassle-free warranty. What I love is it's very stretchy too. I like this. Look at it. Alright, this is a universal car mount. And I got these. I had bought 2 other ones. I bought this. I bought 2 of these as well. Because in my husband's car, he needs one of these. In this box, you get this right here is a plastic covering. And what this does is if you don't want to mess up the back of your phone, especially if you're using this for the back of your phone, magnet directly on your phone, because it's going to mess it up. This magnet is very strong. So stick this on the back of your phone. If it's bare naked, it don't have a case, stick this on the back of your phone and then put the magnet. Then attach the magnet to it because this is some strong stuff on the back of this. And then it comes with an extra adhesive. So wherever you're going to stick this to, this is very strong as well. Whatever you're going to stick this to, it comes with 2. That's a good thing. I got universal crawl door mount. These are the magnets that you're going to use. So whatever you're going to stick this to, you want to use if you're using this on your phone, like I said, you want to stick this on your phone before you put these magnets on because they are very strong. So you're going to take this part, you're going to peel it off and wipe off the area that you're going to stick it on and then stick it. And that's what it looks like. The build quality of this is paramount accessories and accessories for GoPro. Let's charge this stuff up.
I found my Santa hat. So, Apple. Okay, I guess I gotta apologize because I didn't scroll down far enough and change the color. And when I changed the color, the hat just appeared. But anyway, in this video, I had some car mounts and some stuff for the GoPro. So all these mounts, I'm going to demonstrate them when we get on the truck. And so this is Vlogmas number 9. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Don't forget to tell a loved one you love them because tomorrow is not promised to anyone. Stay thankful, grateful, safe, and healthy. And until next time, ciao. Vlogmas number 9.